Hi, I'm Daniel from Elementary Technology and we're here in our Customer Experience Centre. What we're going to look at today is casting from mobile devices to your Promethean screen, which is a really great tool for bringing apps that aren't loaded up on here for everybody to see, or alternatively if the pupils have gone off and done some research or found some information out on another device, being able to show it to the whole class without having to faff about with cables. So what we're going to do first of all is show you how you can connect from an iOS device. I open up the ActivCast app on the device, and you'll notice because I'm running the latest version of the software, I now have the ability to connect two devices simultaneously. So I opened up my iOS device, I swipe up, I hit AirPlay mirroring, and as long as this device is on the same Wi-Fi network as the Active Connect box on your Promethean screen, I can select the box. It then asks me for a PIN number. This is the first level of protection for the presenter. Just means not anybody can just cast up what they want to the screen. They have to have the PIN number, which in this case is 7023. I hit OK. And secondly, the presenter has to allow them to cast. Again, giving you lots of layers of protection as the presenter. Once we're on, I can simply go to a web page or some research that I've found, which we can then share with the whole of the class. In both cases, I either swipe up on iOS or hit the app here, stop mirroring, and that's how I can disconnect my devices from mirroring on the screen.